Bum bum. Wait. Okay. This is, oh, that's upside down or backwards. I don't know. This is wild tiki. It's got flowers in the back and everything. So advanced. Why is it not open? Oh, God. Oh, God. I mean, good packaging, but like, gosh. Okay.
How was that scene?
Good.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells like makeup, but I kind of like good makeup, you know?
Let me smell. Ooh, smells tasty.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Why would you eat putty slime? Life is confusing.
Okay. Honey,
30 minutes. It's kind of a wet feeling. It's definitely wet, like, you know, like. Yeah. Okay. It's satisfying, like, feeling. Stretching. Oh, wait. There's like, these are like the tiniest little beads I've ever seen. But they do have a feel. It's stretch approved and definitely color approved because.
good to know, honey, is a mini Rocco when we're gone. Tore up a...
Yeah, wild. It's called a wild tiki. Definitely fits its color. Definitely fits its texture. Definitely fits its scent. I think the name, perfection. If you agree, hit like. I'm saying that. But yeah, I definitely like the color. Color is definitely approved. I don't know. And it's not sticky. It's just got a wet feeling, you know? And, okay, there is, like, a slight fallout in the beads. Like, they're, like, a mix of, like, micro beads and, like, microscopic female slices. I don't know. They're, like, female slices, but, like, slightly 3D, like they're not flat, and they have a definite texture, and I think there's like powder in it or something in the texture, like if you, I don't know if you can see it or something. But yeah, there's a definite texture, so yeah. See if I could stretch it and then swirl. Okay, it doesn't make too many like crackle sounds, but definitely smells like wild tiki. Next, tie-dye tiki. Oh God, how long is this? I feel like this is gonna take the most absolute forever to open. Like the other one, it was hard. Probably took me like a minute, 30 seconds probably. I don't know. Probably more 30 seconds. I don't know. Maybe that's just me telling myself that so I don't feel weak. I don't know. I'm not weak, but yeah. Get that off my head. Okay. You can see on the side, it's like tie-dye, greenish-esque color. I think that's... Mom! Tie-dye tiki needs to be opened. Or tiki tie-dye, or... What? In the white room? Okay, that part definitely dried a little bit. Okay, kind of has that, you know, like definitely like store-bought smell. I don't know. Is that an actual smell? Like feels like it would be a sticky slime, but it's definitely not a sticky slime. Like not sticky at all. But probably wouldn't be good for like if you had like warm hands because it would probably melt. I think there's a beads, but that could be just a dried out area because I don't see beads. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna try doing one of the things that ASMR people do. So put that in there. And they'll take it out like, oh God. Oh God. Okay, maybe it's slightly sticky, but with store-bought, you can't really add activator unless it comes with like borax or activator. But usually it's borax with these slimes, or usually it's activator. I mean, it's borax with like Slime Obsidian homemade slime shops and stuff. Okay, yeah. ASMR, guys. This is ASMR-esque. No, we should. I think I just have to. We play with it a lot, like. Now is that making it clicky, clicky? You look. Maybe if I get like a dry piece. Definitely sticky. Mom.
Yeah. What's wrong with it?
It's sticky. Because it was probably shitting. Oops.
What are you doing?
I meant to say sitting. Sitting on the shelves for a while. No, I said sitting. It just sounded like not. Yeah. Okay. Welcome back to Sticky Hand ASMR. Maybe if I get. There's gonna be a table cleanup. Yeah, I don't know my arm, please. Thank you. Got my arm, but I got all of it. ASMR, even though it's... No, you get back up here, you little rascal. No, I don't think there's beads in it. ASMR. I need a mic. So everyone get in here. I want to poke it, but it's all over my fingers. and I probably comment if there's anything that can be added to store-bought slime that won't absolutely destroy it, because now it's sticky and it's inflating. Oh wait, Mom?
Yeah.
But I love that color. Dang. Wow. Can you come close the container real quick so it doesn't dry out?
I'm trying to get my relaxation.
Oh God. Oh no, not my. Oh no, oh my hand.
Mary, how am I gonna close the container? With that? Which container?
This one.
How am I gonna close this?
Just put the cap on. It's okay if things are left on the side. This is supposed to be 10 minutes long until this happened. But dang, the color. And it's such a satisfying sound. Mom,
Yeah.
should I take a super small part and then put like activator in it, but not the whole thing? And
What?
should I take like a super small part, put activator in it, and see if it less stickies? Like a small part though.
I don't care what you do with it.
Okay, I think that's what I should do. Okay, please work.
I don't know if there's any activator left.
Just, you know,
Do we have other activators somewhere?
yeah, probably in the shelf. I found like 2 beads in it, but like that's it. Like there are beads or
What
3 more.
fluffy activator?
Okay, that would work because this is fluffy slime. So please work. Okay, that's good. That's good.
And put it there. I'm done helping. I'm relaxed.